Now let's look at how to find the variance. So this says the variance equals the sum of the outcome squared times the probability of that outcome. So you add all of those up and then you subtract the mean squared. Now in this example, we're going to use the dots on a dice again since we've done that one before. We already know from the last section that the mean is 3.5. So we're going to use that. So you would take one dot would be 1 squared times 1 6 plus 2 squared times 1 6 plus 3 squared times 1 6 plus 4 squared times 1 6 plus 5 squared times 1 6 plus 6 squared times 1 6. And you're going to add all of that up. And then you're going to subtract the mean squared, so the 3.5 squared. You end up with a variance of 2.9. Now remember, if you want the standard deviation, you take the square root of that and you get 1.7. Okay, so square the outcome, multiply it by the probability, add them all up, and then subtract the mean squared. And the last thing in this section is expectation, the expected value. So when you have 1,000 tickets are sold at $1 each for a smart television, and the value of that TV is $7.50, what is the expected value of the gain if you purchase one ticket? Now the formula for expected value is the same as mean. It is the outcome times its probability. Okay, so let's look at this. The outcome, if you win, you're really winning $749 because you paid $1 for the ticket. Okay, so the chances of winning $749, the probability of that is 1 over 1,000 because 1,000 tickets were sold. The probability that you'll lose your dollar, okay, so our outcome would be -1, is 999 tickets out of the 1,000 that are sold. So just like mean, you would do the x 749 times the probability, 1 over 1,000, plus -1 times the probability, 999 over 1,000, and you would add those up. So the expected value for this would be a -0.25. So in other words, you lose an average of 25 cents every time you purchase a ticket.